I was reading that article in the New York Times the other day about the movie, and you said that interesting thing about, you know, when you're telling Benjamin that people are going to react to him, they react to him strangely as he grows.
That was the most intriguing thing is, you know, in the short story, Queenie was just a nanny. And the brilliant Eric Roth, when he adapted it to a screenplay, he made her the surrogate mother. And I just thought that was brilliant that this black woman in the early 1900s would raise this young white child who was born under unusual circumstances and who looks weird.
You are a different child, a man child, and baby, people aren't gonna understand just how different you are.
What's wrong with me, Mama?
Come here. God hasn't said yet, baby. Now go on to bed here and behave yourself. Go on. Say your prayers here.
Well, being an African-American mother raising a black child, that's a conversation I have with my son often. As silly as racism is, it exists. And I have to tell him, baby, sometimes people are going to judge you by the color of your skin. And that was a really emotional scene for me because it's real. But the beautiful thing about Queenie is that she doesn't apologize for anything. This is life, this is how it's going to be, and go out in the world and make your way.